guys, how you doing? It's been such a long time. Oh my god, have I missed you guys? I have you missed me? I don't know, tell me in the comments. But I'm not going to long out this intro at all. Instead, I'm going to tell you what I absolutely love taking when I feel under the weather. So if you are feeling bunged up, you feel like you've got a lot of phlegm, a lot of mucus going on, colds, flus, you're just feeling crap. If you are, and if this is you, let me take you to my kitchen to show you a herbal tea, which I absolutely love, and it'll work wonders for you. The tea is this mullein leaf tea, okay? This is unbelievable. So I've been feeling quite congested, quite bunged up, feeling like, what is going on? So if I eat the wrong food, so okay, I'm really active on TikTok, okay, and I've been sharing everything with my health, everything that's been going on since having Monique, my daughter. And one thing I've noticed is if I eat certain foods, it triggers me off. So anyway, I ate a certain type of food and I got bunged. Oh my god, like I felt really heavy, my chest started to feel heavy, and I was like, okay, what can I get? I rummaged through my drawer and I've got this mullein leaf tea. So this really helps with mucus, inflammation. It helps to reduce the inflammation, which then helps to reduce the mucus, but it helps to like soften it so it can come out basically and get released. It's just really, really good. So if you do feel congested and you feel like you've got a cold or a flu or like sinuses happening, oh my god, I would highly recommend drinking this. I've just made myself a glass. So I put the herbs into here. I just let it sit in the hot water for about 10 minutes and then remove this and drink, you know, and it doesn't taste bitter, it doesn't taste like sour or anything like that. You can add honey to it if you want to, that's if you choose to do that. Me personally, I try to stay away from like sugars, and like honey isn't bad, but honey just seems to trigger me. I thought I'd share this with you guys. My channel is going to be all about health. I am health obsessed. Anything, everything to better the health and to help the world better the health. The health, I mean, is all down my path. I am all for that. Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I cannot wait to share more exciting health things with you guys. Show me some love in the comments. It has been a very long time. I'm actually filming on my camera, okay, so if you see me looking in that direction and then this direction, you know, I'm filming on my phone, should I say, not on my camera. I'm filming on my phone. I feel like it's been young and I feel a little bit nervous, but okay, enough rambling. Love you guys and see you guys soon. And don't forget to subscribe, follow me on TikTok if you're not doing so already, and Instagram, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.